Hi guys, and welcome to my house. How weird is this? Anyway, first and foremost, I just want to say I hope all of you are healthy and safe and staying home. And I also want to tell you I miss you all very, very much. I'm really hoping that next week we'll be allowed to do some type of hangout situation or something because I miss seeing your faces. Anyway, couple important things. So if you owe me anything, that you have to have that done for me by April 8th, okay? They've extended the third 9 weeks grading period. If you owe me a test, that has to be done by April 6th. If you owe me a test, I'm not going to be able to give you the same test as before, but what I will be able to do is give you a couple open-ended questions. You need to be checking your district emails. I will email you and tell you if you owe me a test, and then you can tell me when you're ready because the test will be timed. Whenever we conduct class, so everything that I do, you'll be able to finish within about 20 to 30 minutes. We'll conduct class every other day for right now. And I will do voiceover screencasts. I will provide you with assignments. We are not going to have tests unless we go back to school. What we will have are short answer questions and responses, things like that. So that's what sociology is going to look like from this point forward. The only other thing, so I'm a firm believer that, out of everything negative comes something positive. And this is definitely one of the most difficult times that I've experienced in my life. And I've lived a lot longer than you have. So I'm assuming it's a difficult thing for you as well. What I would like to do is start a discussion board to get used to how that works and functions, where everyone just comes back and responds with what's the one positive thing that has come out of this. For example, I've gotten to spend a lot more time with my family. I've gotten to see my boys learn how to ride a tricycle, which sounds really silly, but that's not something that I would have probably been around for otherwise. I've gotten to spend some time with Kira. The other night, she stayed up with me and Jason until midnight putting together a puzzle, which is definitely not something that we normally would do on a Tuesday night, but yep, there we were. It's allowed me to meet some of my neighbors from a safe distance that I would not have probably met otherwise. And, so what if they are, asking me if I have 9 kids and telling me that they just call me the lady that screams a lot in their household? I mean, it's probably an accurate description, so I'm okay with that. Anyway, I hope you are all well. I hope you are all safe. I'm really looking forward to seeing you. I love you and miss every single one of you.